to factoring by magic squares. I'm going to show you this process again with a different trinomial. Process is exactly the same. I'm going to look at the coefficients of each of the three parts of the trinomial and write them across the top here. So 1, -2, and -8. Again, I'm looking for two numbers here that multiply to 1, two numbers here that multiply to -8, and then this times this plus this times this have to equal -2. Now, my leading coefficient is 1, so I know I've got 1 and 1. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to -8 and then cross multiply and add to -2. Because it's -8, I know that one of my numbers has to be negative and one has to be positive. I also know that when I add them together, they're going to equal -2. So the bigger one is going to be probably the one that's negative. But even if you don't think about those things ahead of time, you can just start trying stuff and do it by trial and error. For example, I could try -8 and 1, but that would give me -7. I could try 4 and 2. Let's try that. So 4 times 2 is 8. One of them has to be negative. Let's try the -4. So that gives me -8. And then 1 times 2 plus -4 times 1 is -2. Woohoo! I did it. So now over here, I can just come back and actually write out my two binomials. So again, reading across here, it'll just be 1x minus 4 and 1x plus 2. And there you have it. Come back for part 3 where we will have a number in front of the x squared.